What's up, guys? This is my Electron Blue Pearl 2000 Honda Civic Si Coupe EM1, and it is beautiful. This is a time capsule. This car is in really good shape. All stock, original front lip, headlights are shiny. Very clean example of one of these cars. Original B16A2 engine, has factory dealer added leather interior. Man, what a time capsule this is. So clean and unmolested. To find one like this is very hard. Usually buy one like this off Bring a Trailer. This car truly is a gem, and it is clean. All original paint, body panels, no accidents, none of that crap. Man, truly a gem. You really don't see EM1 SI Civics that are this clean. Not for the price I'm gonna sell it for, that is. Super clean car. Like, look at the headlights. Those are original Honda headlights, and they are just beautiful. Original lip. Has the original B16A2, I already mentioned that, but we're gonna show you guys under the hood. God, the paint is just shiny. Original B16A2. I did add a full exhaust system to this car. Header, exhaust, and I do have all the stock parts. But yeah, there she is.